and welcome to another First Taste with Hope. September is the month of September, an exciting time of year. There's apple picking and pumpkin spice crap out there that you people drink that I don't, and it's just a lot of fun fall stuff. That is what's going on in September. So the month of September is a fun time full of fall things and all that jazz, and I thought that we could do a little thing around apples because apples are part of my hometown thing, the Apple Festival, which is a fun time and I can't wait to go myself. So excited for that. And today we're going to be making an apple crisp in the Instant Pot. It should be very good. I'm hoping it's gonna be like a nice little dessert. That's what I'm looking for. It might be more on the breakfast side, I don't know, but it seemed like it'd be a good thing to make. I wanted to try something on the apple side of things. So with that being said, let's get started. To start out with, we're gonna work on our crumb layer, our crumb topping, I guess would be the best way to put it. It is going to be our crumb topping that we're going to start out with making before we get to the filling part. So what you're going to start with first is going to be half a cup of all-purpose flour. We got our half cup, we got all-purpose flour. We are in business. Oh crap. We gonna do this the right way, of course. You know how we do. Oh no, whoop, not like that. Boom. Half a cup. It's good stuff. Next we're going to add half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I questioned this. You know, it doesn't say rolled on it. I don't know where they get that. But then on the back, you look at the ingredients and it says whole grain rolled oats. So that indicates these must be rolled. But I don't get why that. I don't even know. But these are the old-fashioned rolled oats. So that's what we're going to be doing. Half a cup of those. Then we're going to need half a cup of light brown sugar. We got our Domino light brown sugar right here. Half a cup. Alright, then we're going to need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Alright, before I get to the butter, we're going to need a dash of salt. I'm going to say that's like a dash. Boom, that goes in there. I'll saute, and then 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So luckily there's a ruler already on these sticks of butters on the side. That's inventive. So we don't need to measure them out, we just need to cut it up. So take these 2 off, and that gives us 6. But the other thing too with these 6 is it wants them cut up into slices. So next you're going to either take, if you have a mixer, which I do have a mixer, it is dirty. So we're going to use a fork, and it says that you use a fork and you're going to combine them. You're going to combine everything until it makes a crumb looking topping. It says a crumble. So no one told.
Pretty sure you're also supposed to use like room temperature butter.
They didn't say that. Was I supposed to do that?
Probably because it makes it easier to make it into a crumble.
Oh, well. Here we are. Next, we're gonna go ahead and go with the filling. Guess what, guys? You know how I typically don't follow directions to a T? We're gonna do that. We're just gonna see what happens. This is gonna show you if I am a failure or not. And I will definitely suffer the consequences if that is so. But we're gonna go ahead and start on the Instant Pot. So what you're gonna need to do is you open your Instant Pot. You're gonna spray it with some non-sticking spray. So we're gonna spray the Instant Pot with that. All right, once it's all non-stickified, we're gonna start adding in the extra ingredients. So first of all, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So we're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of melted butter into the Instant Pot. We need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, we only need 1/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. So that means we need half of this half cup we have. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and I did not think this through, did I? No, I did not, but that's okay. Good. That's good enough. It smells good though. That's good enough. All right, and then we need another dash of salt. Boom. And then we need a cup of water. 2. Boom. We're gonna stir it all in. Some nice cinnamon water. You should drink it. Alright, so then once it looks like we got it good mixed together, we're then going to add in the apples. And we're going to stir it all around to make sure that we get it coated as best we can. Alright, so now we're going to put this over the apples evenly. Remember, I messed up a little bit, but it's alright, because it's going to be okay. Hopefully. Else I will suffer the consequences. Alright, here we go. Taking the Instant Pot, we're going to close it up. We're in a high pressure for 1 minute. Well, so make sure you have it to sealing. It's got to be to sealing, and then you're going to vent it later. So we got it going on. It's high pressure of 1 minute manual, and then once this is done, it should be good. Should be good. Crossing my fingers I didn't screw this up again. So once the timer beeps, we're going to come over here. We're going to let it natural release by turning it to venting, so it's gonna let all the steam out and everything. Then we'll be able to open it on up and see what we got going here. So I'm excited. Hopefully you are excited too, because I'm nervous as well. Alright, let's give it a minute. Alright, here we go guys. Taking off the lid. Look inside and see what it looks like. As you can see, pretty good. We're gonna give it a good stir around. I can see where I messed up a little bit, you know, with the crumb mixture, but all in all, I don't think this looks terrible. And you can add toppings onto this if you'd like to. I might add some peanut butter on it, honestly. That's like my thing, apples and peanut butter, so I might do that. And I need to taste this. I need to give it a good taste test, but we know what happens in my past experience with tasting things out of the Instant Pot too soon is that my tongue gets burned. But we gotta do it. Hot. Part of the norm, but the taste is very good. I think this is gonna be a win. I think people in the household are gonna like it. It's not too bad. It's I think what stands out here is definitely probably the brown sugar. Brown sugar, it stands out here a lot. And I mean the apples, I think they're soft enough in this. So I think that if you're looking for something that is a good apple flavorful dish, this is the one to go to. I give it a good thumbs up. I think this wasn't too bad for my mistakes. As we all know, I make mistakes every time. But don't make mistakes like me. Follow the link below. And this will probably be a lot better. But I think this is pretty good for messing up. So I will see you guys next time on another First Taste with Hope. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.